Baby, it's me and you.
And no matter what they say, I'ma love you every single day.
A few moments later.
What's up, LND Nation? Gang, 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 gang. And today we're back with another video. Stop looking like that. Anyways, so we're just gonna be. So, guys, welcome to the channel. She looked like a hobo, so I can't be recording with her. But yeah, so, bro, look at how she looks. But yeah, so this is a perfect condition. Welcome to the channel, y'all. Girl, I just need you to stop walking away from me. Okay, here you go. Talk some. Okay, so look like a chicken nugget over here. So we're just gonna be doing some extracurricular activities. You know. So basically, it's my cousin's birthday. He's turning 10, and we're just gonna be having fun. We're leaving. We're having a bonfire and all that.
Why are you walking so fast?
So, yeah. Love you.
Love you too.
So, yeah. You're just gonna watch us have some fun. So we're gonna play volleyball real quick. And she's hating it.
I hate volleyball, guys.
But you know.
I'm gonna go get a drink, okay?
Put out the pink.
Oh, never mind. It's not
Put out the pink. Remember, you need just a race with China. Put the race in China. Just a race with China. Oh, bad train. Again.
all you see is.
I just on my now cookie chip. I'm gonna do splits on it. Yeah, I'm about to open it. Remember we used to play with the little balls with the holes in it?
Yeah.
What's the check? What's the stop? Stop. Okay, guys, we're gonna be going by point system. So whoever hits it last, and the other person doesn't hit it back, that person gets a point. Okay, so.
But you hit the ground first. So technically I got the first point. Alright, redo.
Guys, we're gonna move it back.
Why don't we just move back?
Nigga, run me my dog.
You look really good with a back tattoo.
I know. Did you see that? She just abused me.
No, I didn't.
Yep, because I would have never caught. No, I didn't.
I have 1 point. Let's go.
Huh?
1 point for me.
You don't have 1 point, so just stop.
I do. If
No,
it
you
hits the
don't.
floor on your throat, then
No,
it's
you
alright. We
don't.
start over then. Then no one has a point. Back up. Oh.
She tries to act injured.
No, my ring went like this.
I got 1 point.
You want to play the opposite?
I'm just kidding, babe.
Get started.
We're starting again.
No, you got a point. You want to put it like that?
No, because there's no possible way you could have got that. Okay, ready? Hurry up.
Alright, man, I got you, fam. I got you. Let's go. Ah, hit me. That's all you. Go get it.
I got a point.
No, you don't.
Okay, guys, we're starting over once again because.
No, you got a point. 2-0. She wanna play dirty. I got her.
How am I playing dirty?
Get over there. Get over there.
Huh? Exactly. You can't even give me a reason, so be quiet.
I got her, bro. You could have touched that.
No.
Easy, see? Could have got that.
Just be quiet.
Easy little run. Alright, guys. So, I guess we're starting. If that's an anthill and they start biting on your toe, don't look at me. Because I didn't tell you to do it.
What you know about me? What you
It's still at 0. I've been doing some movements. Come on.
I've been burning it.
But still, it counts my moves. If I go this, it's one step.
Oh! It's too lazy.
Oh, it's probably because my watch was on.
Move back.
Let's go. She could have got that.
No, I couldn't.
Yeah, she could have. You can put some music over this. Or, you know what? You know what would be really funny if we put commentary over of us talking back and forth? Just like, oh, look at her go. You know, that would be funnier. I saved it though. I know. Get out of here with that. You could have won.
Guys, we're done with this. Pause it.
Pause it? Okay. Can we move on to a different sport? Bet.
We'll come back to it, but
I think we should put commentary over it. Like, just
got
mute
it
the
better
whole,
swing.
just mute the whole video and then put commentary. No, I want it back first.
No.
I'm gonna throw you a curveball. Put
Okay,
commentary.
guys.
Like, now
You guys
we're
see
moving
this?
on to baseball. Fail.
Terrible. Nickname is Nikki, but my name is Nicole.
What is
He looks like he's a pedo.
I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. A miracle has arisen upon him. I mean them.
Oh.
Nickname is Nikki, but my name is Nicole. I cut all my hoes. Break it up. Break it down. Back it up.
Weirdo.
Weirdo. Look it up. Look it up. No.
Ow, what the hell?
I'm not getting that. You didn't even try.
I did try.
That's not. No.
You could have hit it because it was right here.
Bye.
You were here, and it was like that.
Oh, boy. He's like right there.
Guys, these sports are not working out.
There's the one. There's the two. And the third one. There's the third.
Nicky. That ball is wide.
No.
I don't give a fuck.
I do.
You could have let me hold it for 1.1
I didn't
seconds.
want him to be like, let's have time. And then he cuts most of our stuff. You just suck. It's not my fault or the bat or the ball.
Look at Jack. You sneezed and you need to bring everybody.
Is that him right there?
Mhm.
Go say hi. Yeah, booty hole. You just suck. Try again. Suck.
It's Nicky. Get it. You only got one hand.
You just suck. That was perfect.
I see y'all found that ball.
It's a sucky ball.
No,
It's a
you
wiffle
just
ball.
suck. These are like perfect hits right there.
Oh, there you go.
Go get it.
Go run.
Go get it.
Run. Next sport. Next sport.
No.
It's like basketball.
Just let the kid take it back. You don't need to run. I'm probably suck. I suck at this too. You see how light this is?
Ready, guys?
We're not playing this crap again.
Ready, guys? Stop. Come on, back.
I am batting.
Ready, guys? Gonna hit this since that ball's whack. Okay, stay right there. Ready? I'm making it easy for her, guys. Okay, we're done with that one.
Because it went too far. That's how we're done.
This is my pretty boy swing. Hey! All the girls are on me. Everybody, okay? This right here is my pretty boy swing.
See, yeah, you just suck.
So I'm on my tippy toes.
You can open them now.
Why you make the mom face? You would really get that from your mom. You probably came up with music like that too. Bro, imagine. See, they're just like, welcome to the world. What's the name? And you were like,
Sometimes I wanna call you, but I know you won't be there. Let me sing my song.
back up. You can sing it back up. Bro, imagine I get to the bar and it hits everything. Back up. Go away. Bro, why is he here playing?
She sucks. Throw. I'm sorry, everything.
little girl right there. She was like, the thing went over her hand. She was like, fuck you, shit. And I was like, bro, aren't you like 7? Why are you cursing? Alright, new sport. I got you. Ready. What the heck?
A tornado flew around my room.
Ever had a dreams that you could.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Cha cha cha.
Happy birthday, dear Easton. Happy birthday to your big head.
Back up, don't catch on
I
fire.
didn't even make a wish.
All one time, just one big vote. Watch your nose.
What was your wish?
So, you know.
If you have
There you go.
No, it was so cool.
Whoa,
Turn around.
that was tight.
Wait, we gotta get how low it is.
Sticks and there was things that like
Can you help me real quick?
But how do you want me to help
Can you get the graham cracker on the back? Yeah, I guess so.
Bro, you're making it look so smacking.
Don't drop my s'more. Yo, I don't play on my s'mores. It's not coming out, man. I don't
That's
want
what
to
she said.
Oh.
You wanna make me one?
Oh, you guys already have one.
What is this for?
Keep telling me to do things. Are you recording me?
Yeah. Put a marshmallow on this.
Does your parents teach you manners?
Can you put a marshmallow on this, please?
I am racist. What the fuck? Do we have plates? No, we don't. Don't say that. Ever in your life.
I mean, you all know I'm like, stop doing something. You know what? I'm like, no, I used to guys fought. Okay, I would lose. Yeah. I get my ass thank you so much. Thank you. I'm so glad you did that. No, but we went to the old high school and she like showed me like the spot, like one spot where she had jumped. Another spot where she fought a girl. It was great. It was a good bonding experience. What? No, I protect myself.
You didn't start the fight.
I did that. I started Oh my God! Oh, I didn't go that far. I didn't get arrested.
Can I blow it?
Babe, what are you doing? He's wandering. Okay. Sorry, Wander.
It's done.
No, I gotta get the other side.
They're $30 at Macy's.
Where'd you get arrested?
It's done.
Oh, I gotta get it. Excuse me.
Oh, that she deserved it. Oh, no, she deserved it. You guys want some soda?
Yes, there's some sticks right here. Thank you. It's so dark in here.
Hey, sweetie.
From the 10th. I'm a little busy at the moment.
See, I didn't see I told you to give me those. Okay, here. I already found those.
Thank you.
And then here's that.
First of all,
No, I'm not. You know, like, this is my way to get
babe, I moved the chair here.